In the context of app promotion, you should track the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. This will help you determine the cost of user acquisition through advertising and assess this promotion method's financial effectiveness. You can use the following metrics: the total number and dynamics of installations, sources of installations, user acquisition cost, the ratio of ad impressions to installs, the ratio of ad spends to app-generated revenue. You can also evaluate the effectiveness of an application using the following indicators: the number of launches, duration of sessions, the average frequency of application usage, data on targeted user actions in the application. Analyze app performance with the following services: Google Analytics for apps, Yandex.AppMetrica, Mixpanel, Flurry, Firebase Analytics. So, be smart, be creative, and follow the market.